It's just like a real theatre. We've got curtains, a stage, no need for big bits of scenery. Minimalistic theatre at its best.
If you find something funny, feel free to laugh, don't be scared.
All of man! All of beast! All of earth!
Look, it's just that you always talk about money or your evident lack of it. And I am not your darling. Let's go.
Please, don't leave early.
Shh.
Oh ye ancient spirits of the night!
Absolutely fantastic. Outstanding acting.
It's clear, and look, the moon rising.
But I suppose your conversation with Madame Arkadina had you so enthralled you didn't notice the cold.
Paulina, sing us sweetly to our slumbers.
The striking chill of eternity.
Must be an awful lot of fish in this lake.
Fish.
He spends his life out on that lake now. I never see him.
He's searching for his new spark.
With all due respect with you and your greatest talent.
Huh?
Yes!
It seems the alluring spell of this lake is still intact.